So this is a video on part 1 of my Advanced Games project, and this focuses on networking and cross-platform development. The first part of this video is showing the application running on the same Windows PC, and you can see that they connect to each other by entering in their opponent's hostname into the input box, and that's how they get set up. Player 1 acts as the server and has a global game state, at which point, when it's received an update from the client, it will send the new game state back to player 2. So player 1 will send the game state to player 2. Player 2 then updates the current game to match the state sent over, and then player 2, the client, will serve the new player 2 position back over to player 1, which will then update its game state. And as you can see, this works well to good effect. However, this was only part 1 of my project. Part 2 was to focus in on cross-platform development. So as you can see here, we have on the left the game running on a Windows PC, and on the other a PC which has Linux via the Linux Mint distribution. And from the start, I made sure that when I built this application, I built it from platform independent libraries, which meant that they worked across multiple platforms. I also made sure to stay away from platform dependent function calls, which the Windows API really does like to force down developers' throats. And by doing so and being careful of the libraries I use and the functions I call and designing it in an effective way, I was able to get the application running across both operating systems. You will notice there is very little player movement in this. This is because, just in case I couldn't get two videos side by side, I recorded it with my phone just in case I wasn't able to do that, which is why there's little movement. But as you can see, it works well to good effect.